Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics digital class. We have learnt how to carry out multiplication of indices having same base. Now we are going to learn how to divide indices having same base. For example, minus 2 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 2 raised to the power 3. Now, we are given these two index forms. Now tell me, what is the base in these two indices? Yes, base is minus 2. So, as these indices are in division, so it can be written as minus 2 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 2 raised to the power 3. Now, minus 2 raised to the power 5 upon minus 2 raised to the power 3 in multiplication form can be shown as minus 2 raised to the power 5 can be written as minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 5 times. Similarly, minus 2 raised to the power 3 can be written as minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 3 times. Now, as you can see, both the numerator and denominator are in repeated multiplication of minus 2. So, when same numbers are in numerator and denominator in multiplication form, then they simply cancel out with each other and we get 1. So, we are left with minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. So, it can be written as minus 2 square in index form. Minus 2 raised to the power 5 upon minus 2 raised to the power 3 equals to minus 2 raised to the power 2. We can observe that we have simply subtracted the powers. That is minus 2 raised to the power 5 minus 3 equals to minus 2 raised to the power 2. So, we can conclude that if two indices having same base are in division, then we can simply subtract the powers. In general form, if a is any rational number, that is, a is in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0 and mn are integers, then a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n becomes a raised to the power m minus n. That is, while dividing the indices having same base, we can simply subtract the exponents. Also, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power m, according to this rule, can be written as a raised to the power m minus m. As you know, here are same numbers in numerator and denominator. So, they cancel out with each other and we get 1. And a raised to the power m minus m becomes a raised to the power 0 or a naught, or a raised to the power 0 or a naught equals to 1. this is another rule. Now come to problem set 28 on page number 46 of your textbook. Question number 1 is simplify. Come to the second part, that is m raised to the power 5 divided by m raised to the power 8. As you can see, in both the indices, base is same. What is the base? Yes, base is m. So according to the rule, if a is an irrational number where a is base, mn are integers, then a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n becomes a raised to the power m minus n. So m raised to the power 5 divided by m raised to the power 8 becomes m raised to the power 5 minus 8, and it can be written as m raised to the power minus 3, as 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Similarly, you can solve first, third and fourth part. Now come to second question, that is find the value. Come to the first part, that is minus 7 raised to the power 12 divided by minus 7 raised to the power 12. As you can see, base in both the indices is minus 7. So, according to the rule, minus 7 raised to the power 12 divided by minus 7 raised to the power 12 can be written as minus 7 raised to the power 12 minus 12. Now, minus 7 raised to the power 12 minus 12 becomes minus 7 raised to the power 0 or minus 7 naught. As we know, if a is an irrational number, then a naught is 1. So minus 7 naught is 1. And this is our answer. Now, third part is 4 by 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 by 5 raised to the power 2. Now tell me, what is the base in these two index forms? Yes, base is 4 by 5. According to the rule, 4 by 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 by 5 raised to the power 2 can be written as 4 by 5 raised to the power 3 minus 2. Now, 4 by 5 raised to the power 3 minus 2 becomes 4 by 5 raised to the power 1. 4 by 5 raised to the power 1 is the first power of 4 by 5. As we know, first power of any number is the number itself. So 4 by 5 raised to the power 1 becomes 4 by 5, and this is our answer.